Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game World. So guys, today I am going to show you a solution for a very famous iOS update issue like this one. If you see, sorry. Okay. So most of the iOS users facing this issue, like if you go to the general in settings and software update, and we are getting this error message constantly. So I have tried everything like resetting the network settings and restarting the phone or any beta profile, deleting the any beta profile, but nothing worked for me. And so here is a simple solution for this. At least it worked for my iPhone 14 Pro. So guys, what you have to do, you have to go to App Store, and from there you can download any VPN. Like I have downloaded this Hotspot Shield VPN. Okay, now let me show you the next step. After downloading the VPN, all you have to do, you see that you have to turn on the VPN, and after that go to general software update. As you can see that now guys, I didn't get the error message. Instead I got the information regarding the iOS version currently I have installed. So I'm on the latest build. It's 16.5.1. Okay, let me show you once more what happens if I turn off the VPN. Here I turn off the VPN, then I go to general software update, and guys, you can see that the error pops up again. I cancelled it. I go back. I turned on the VPN, general software update, and now you can see that it got the information about the latest software version I have installed. So guys, this is a simple solution for now. You guys can try it too, and let me know in the comments if you succeeded or not. Thanks for watching this video guys. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Game World. On that channel you can find a little bit of everything like unboxing new gadgets and gameplay videos, the stuff like that. Okay guys, take care, bye.